Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can remove an object from your photo using AI. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and please do not skip the video so you don't miss out on anything. You can easily access this interface by clicking the link in my description box. I'll be dropping the link for this interface in my description box, and you can access it by clicking the link simply. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. First, you have to click this remove object now button. Just after you click this button, you are gonna land on this screen where you can see that I can drag or upload my own image over here in this box, or I can simply click this plus or open image button and post my picture that I want to remove an object from. Right now I'm going to try the ready to use photos that are already available, but you can use your own too. So I'm just going to click this one and drop it over here, and you can see it has loaded. Now what I have to do is that you can see there are these tools to use. I can use any tool from here, and this is my eraser, this is my smear, and this is my brush size. Now I'm going to adjust the brush size accordingly. Once I adjust the brush size, I'm just going to select the object that I want to remove. For example, I want to remove this ball, so I'm going to just highlight it with this brush of mine, and then you can see there the button of start removing has turned blue. I'm going to click this. I can use eraser to erase the unwanted part that I don't want to remove. For example, I don't want the shadow to be removed, so I can just erase the highlighter from there. And what I'm gonna do is just click start removing now, and you can see that intelligent recognition completed, and now they're removing the object for me. You can also click apply after you are done with the removing step. So here you can see that my object has been removed, and I can just click apply. After I click apply, you can see that there are these options of top enhance, AI enlarger, magic remove. I can choose this magic remove to just vanish off an object from my photo, or I can use this background remover to remove the background of my video, and these are the recommended ones. And you can see that there are many more options over here that we can use, but for now this is what I wanted to show you. And you can also download this image if you want to by clicking this download button. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.